Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another unboxing video in my channel TechPak Techno YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox an electronic gadget for you that is basically a Sinocare Safe AQ Smart Glucose blood glucose monitoring system. So as you know that nowadays there are many diseases which are causing very significant amount of loss to many human health and their you can say consumables. So it is very necessary to take care of yourselves and your relatives and anyone is around you. So for that, basically there is a disease known as sugar, or you can say the sugar disease, in which you consume a lot of sugar and there are diseases related to that. So to diagnose that, you could buy this equipment or this machine to diagnose how much your daily sugar level is. So basically the company is Sinocare and we have bought it from AliExpress. So I will let you know about the price in the description or in the comment box in the later part. So what items that it contains: it has a glucose meter, one bag into one, okay, user manual, one lancing device, testing strips, 25 lenses, 25 strips, okay, quick guide one, and testing strip instruction, that is one, okay. And you can use it from 1 degree centigrade to 30 degrees centigrade. Transporting and storage conditions are these, and you cannot you can say freeze it. So these are some indications, and this is the QR code if you want to check the authenticity of it. So this is basically a small machine and having these kind of strips for the checking of your sugar level, and it has, I think, two kind of units. One is milligram per deciliter, and I think there is one more, I don't know, but it should be. So 0.6 microliter sample volume, 5-second testing time. So whenever you put blood on this strip, it will take only 5 seconds to show you results like this, virtually pain free. So you could face some, you can say, pain, but it is you can say negligible. So this is how you use it. Only use safe equip. Okay, this is okay. So first of all, you have to put the strip into the meter. Then you have to put out some blood from your hand, any finger, and you have to put it like this to the strip, and then you can have the reading like this. So I'm going to open this box for you. So it's a huge box and containing multiple things. First of all, there's nothing left in it. So first of all, it is a quick guide manual or instruction manual that includes many things. I'm not gonna explain these ones. And then again we have some, I don't know about this one, but we will leave it here. But this is basically a user manual. You are having blood glucose indicator card, that how much how much levels are counted as low level, normal level, borderline, high levels, and dangerous levels. So this is basically the chart of it. With that, you have got some more paperwork regarding the machine, and then you have this blood glucose user manual, Sinocare. So it's in English totally, and I think there's one more language which I don't know. I think it's in Espanol. So there are two languages in which you can understand this Sinocare lab manual. Okay, there are some needles for taking out blood. I think there are 25 of it. So how you are gonna open this? You have to like this. So this is basically needle. There are 25 of it. So these are the 25 needles that you are going to need while you are taking your blood out. Then we have this pouch. You can call it pouch or a box. And what you are going to do, you are going to open it, and then you will be taking out this box. What this box includes, it includes, I guess, 25 pieces of lancets. Yes, testing strips or lancets. Sorry, testing strips. These are the, I will show you one. So these are the testing strips. I'm gonna zoom it for you like this. So from one side you will be putting it into the machine, and the second side you will be using for your blood collection. So I'm putting this right back. You have to, you can say, keep it like this for safe usage. Then this comes, what it is basically a machine or equipment that you can use for these testing needles. You have to put one needle for one time here. From where you can put it, I don't know exactly. So this is how you are gonna untie it. You are gonna untie it, and you are gonna put the needle into this area, and then you will put this like this, and then you have to, you can say, like this, and you have to push this button, and from here you will be, you can say, be in contact with your fingers, and from here your blood will come out. So I will show it to you again. You have to put the needle here, you have to close it like this, you have to pull it like this, leave it, and then you have to shot the gun while having your fingertips here. So it will be like this, and then your blood will be coming out from here. And then what you have to do, you have to use your machine. Your machine is here. So I'm going to show you this one as well. So this is basically your machine. Sinocare is written here. There is a single button, and there should be some cells or batteries here. I think these are AAA cells, 1 and 2. Two cells are needed, which are given here with it. So there are 2 batteries or cells which are given with the equipment. So these are the AAA batteries which we will be needing for the operation of this gadget or equipment. So you are gonna put like this one, and the second one, it is gonna turn on like this. You have to press this one. I think you have to push it like this. So this is the battery measurement. You can see your battery value here, and these are the reading areas. When you are gonna put your strip here and there's a blood on it, it will show you the reading here, and you have to cover it up like this. Here you have the barcode as well, through which you can check the authenticity of it. Safe AQ Smart, and blood glucose meter, 3 watt DC, 50 milliamperes, 1.5 volt into 3A alkaline batteries. So you have to use 2 AAA alkaline batteries, which I'm using right now. So all in all, this is a good equipment for checking and monitoring your daily blood glucose level. It has a pouch. I'm going to show you again. It has a machine. It is a you can say blood collection meter, and then you have some manuals as well. There are 3 manuals basically, and then you have some strips, some lancets, and a box, and a chart as well. If you are unfamiliar with the levels of the sugar, you can check it on daily basis. So if your result comes out as 20 to 70, it is very low, or you can say it is low. From 72 till 126. You have to keep the units in your mind, that it's milligram per deciliter and millimole per deciliter. So this is millimole per deciliter and this is milligram per deciliter. If you are in between 128 till 180, so you are at borderline, so you have to be beyond, or you can say below 126 margin to be on normal side. And if you are in between 182 and 248, you are at high level of glucose, blood sugar, sugar glucose. And if you have crossed the 248 limit and you are in between 250 and 600, that is very much dangerous. So I hope you have liked the video. Kindly check our other videos, like, share and subscribe, and we will be back with another video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.